Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my spring summer home reset, especially bedroom reset. And I did receive some pieces from Quince, linen bedding set. And on the other half of this video, I'll share with you how I'm resetting my health for perimenopause. And so let me first, I think I'll just put a picture of what I'm over here because I've actually washed the pieces. I did get some 100% European linen bedsheet set and duvet cover from Quince. And I did get all of them in white, and I love having a white bedsheet set. If you've watched this channel and you've watched my vlogs, you will have seen that for my home, especially for my bedroom, I usually lay white bed sheets. And it does help me, I change my sheets every weekend. And that way I'm able to, and I'm forced to change my sheets because with white you can tell if once they're dirty, and I love it. And for me, in the summer months, in the warmer months especially, I love putting 100% linen on my bed sheet on my bed because it's breathable. So just like you will want to wear linen for that same reason, in the summer months, I love laying 100% linen on my bed and as a duvet cover. There's something different about it. Although I still have like silk pillowcases for my hair, I lay 100% linen. I can't talk today. I'm so excited about this. So without wasting a bit, let me start to lay the bed. You'll see how I put this bed together. And once I received it from Quince, they came all packed. Yeah, so the set came all packed, and I've washed them so that before I lay, just so that everything will be in tip-top shape. When I buy my bed sheets from the store, because I don't know where they've been and all of that, and I'm going to be laying on it, I usually wash it before I put it on my bed. So let me lay that real quick and we'll go from. I'm going to get to that, and I'll put on my phone and play music while getting this done. So excited. I finished changing the sheets, laid the bed. Everything is in tip-top shape. Let me show you a bit. I'm gonna bring the camera. I'm gonna bring you. Hopefully you can see. So that's what that looks like. And the texture of the bed is really good. I mean, this is the best I could do. And until, my clean ladies come, that's that for the bedroom. So I'll share with you also the items that I did receive. Okay, let's put the camera back. Okay, it's fixed. So I'm going to share also the items that I received for my workouts from, let me grab them. I've actually used them, and so I can actually attest to the effectiveness of the items. And I did tell you I'm going through perimenopause. I have doctor's appointments this coming week. We did check my cortisol level. They've been high. And the more I do like running, it's more of cardio. If I do like heavy cardio, it increases my cortisol and all of that. So I know people are always like, oh, cut your intake of food and all of that. Believe you me, I am very hyper aware for as someone that's worked out for years. And this is a shock to my body, but it is what it is. It's part of life, and I think it's a reduction in estrogen, especially since I had a hysterectomy. So that kind of made it worse for me. So let me grab the supplements that I did get from Quince, and I'll be glad to show you. What I did receive from Quince are this electrolytes. I usually use them after workout. This really helps out, especially on days that I have intense workout. It helps replenish my electrolytes, which is mainly more of salt, and this has magnesium, potassium, and zinc. It does help a lot. And I know that, especially when I'm running in the summer, I need electrolytes. I still do my cardio on days that I can, and I still do my strength training. And daily, I've been using, or I finished using this. So I can actually see there's nothing in there. It's the organic stress support. Hopefully it is showing properly. It's a very good, a great supplement, and I already ordered. There's two types of electrolytes I have: the regular one and the recovery. This is like for once I have a really intense workout. I'll list all the items that I talked about in this video down in the description box. Please check it out. It's helped me. I did reorder all of this because for this, there's hardly anything left in there. I don't want it to drop. There's hardly anything left in there. I've been using it, and this has 0 sugar. Is why I really love it too. So what else? So that's what I've been doing to support my health, and I'm making sure that I follow up with my doctor to be sure that all of my levels of vitamin D, everything is not iron, and all of that is not off. Just trying to stay healthy. So at this point, I'm not about being skinny, being thin. I'm more about what is my health saying. So that said, I've done a reset. I can get on with my weekend. Today's Saturday. Hopefully you're watching this on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, hopefully you're seeing this on Tuesday. And what else? That's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully I can get it to be very short because I don't want this to be a long video. And I'm probably backlit, and that's what that's looking like. I love at this stage of my life making things serene, comfortable. I've been trying to talk to my husband about reducing some of the things he uses on this side of the bed so that the room is not junked up, because for perimenopause, in all honesty, I've not been myself. But I keep wondering how my mom was able to go through it without and still remain sane. So that said, thank you again. And if you have questions below, please don't hesitate to drop them below. And I'll see you. The video after this on Thursday will be a Pinterest video, and I need to do my summer essentials video. And also I want to start vlogging again and documenting my life, even if people don't watch it. I want to go back to doing that And that's it. See you later. Bye.